Hey, what is going on, everybody, and welcome to episode 1 of the budget tech unboxing here on Everyday Technology. Let's go. So as you guys can see, we have a bunch of products here. 3 of them were sent to me by companies, and the big one right here I actually ordered by myself. But I do hope to continue this series probably every month, but I might not get to it every single month because I'm not getting that many tech products in. This month just happened to be a very good month for me, but I do hope to continue it. I hope this series does catch on and a lot of people start watching it, and I also hope that I'm able to do a lot of different episodes because I've actually never done a series that's gotten to over like 2 or 3 episodes. So I hope this one gets to about 10. That would be great. So if you guys like the sound of this new series, please hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and also comment down below so that I know that this is a series that you guys, the viewers, want to watch. So this product in this box was sent to me from a product called Whip Labs, and they do a lot of cool accessories for like smartphones and things like that. So we're gonna start by opening it. Big shout out to Whip Labs. If you're watching this, thank you so much for sending this to me. This product will be featured in my top tech under $50 video, which should be out in a couple of weeks. So we're gonna open this up. Wow, garbage. I don't have a trash can down here right now, but this is the Slope. So I watched a video on it. I got the big Slope. There is like a Slope Mini. I actually should have had them send me that product because I don't really have an iPad, but it'll work with any smartphone. And what it has is it has micro suction cups on it, and it attaches to your phone or your tablet, and it doesn't sound like a suction cup when you're setting it there. You just set it there and it sticks. So I'm really excited to actually check this out, and the presentation is in the box is pretty good. I do like the outside of the box. It reminds me of something from Apple. You can see from the side. I just remember seeing like the iPhone. So another great thing with the presentation, guys heard that up in the microphone right there. So I have my iPod right here, iPod 4th generation. I know I'm still rocking it in 2018. So this actually, you know what? I will probably have to take the case off. There you go. That sticks like, oh my gosh. Wow. That is really cool. Apparently it has micro suction cups, and wow. There you guys have it. The Slope from Whip Labs. I hope you guys like this product. I mean, I love it. I'll have it linked in the description below. And this is definitely a good buy. And let's move on to this product. Now, this was sent to me from Divoom, and you'll find out what it is. You might already know what it is, but it's actually a really cool product, and I'm really excited to actually be able to review this on the channel. And I'm sure all you guys will really like to see that, if I can get this box to open. You know what? Enough of that. Old school. So I don't get a cardboard cut. And here it is. Very heavy. Very heavy. And here it is. The Divoom Timebox Mini. If you don't know what the Timebox Mini is, it is a Bluetooth speaker that has RGB lights on the front, and it's programmable. So you can program what the lights on the front actually display, which I think is really cool. So we're going to put this over here, and we are going to open this right now. Oh, I like when companies wrap stuff in plastic. So you will have to download the app for it. Just the Timebox app. So there is a larger Timebox, but I decided to ask for the Mini for them to send me. because I like more portable things. You can bring this on vacation or wherever you're going, and it's not as big on your desk, so it doesn't take up as much space. You have more space to put things that you need a little bit more, like your keyboard and mouse, and it doesn't sacrifice for any of the features that the Timebox has. The Timebox Mini still has all the same features. Wow. Oh, we have to do that. Oh. Yeah, so here it is, the Divoom Timebox Mini. I will be making a full review on this. That will be my next video on this channel, so stay tuned for that. So here it is, giving you a little bit of a sneak peek, and let's move on to this little guy. Alright, on to this one. I don't even need a knife for this product. This was sent to me by, you know what, I'm going to actually have to open it to remember their name. I'm sorry. ElectJet, and this is the NA-Watt one. Now, what this does is it allows you to plug the USB Type-C cable into your 2017 MacBook Pro or your 2016 MacBook, and it allows you to use MagSafe with it, because as you guys probably know, the 2017 and the 2016 MacBook or MacBook Pro don't have MagSafe. And what MagSafe allows you to do is it's actually magnetic. So if you happen to trip over the wire, your computer won't go flying on the floor, which is something that is very helpful, especially with a $2,000 laptop. So I really find this little attachment very useful. I don't have a use for it right now, but if I do, ElectJet, I will definitely make a review on this because it seems like a really well thought out, well designed product. Alright, let's move on to what you guys have probably all been waiting for, and that is the big box. So in the big box is actually something that I ordered myself, and it is actually a lamp. I saw it on JD Tech TV's channel, and it seemed really awesome, so I'm like, I might as well just pick it up. I have a dark area in my room, and I don't necessarily have a lamp there, so I wanted to pick this one up to brighten up that area of the room, and it also looks really amazing and futuristic. So let's get this open. I'm gonna do old school again. This is quicker. So it is the Brightech Circle LED USB desk lamp. You know what? I'm actually gonna have to stand up for this one and move it over to the side so it doesn't hit my microphone. And we're gonna move this out of the way. Looks like I'm gonna have to open it from the side. Oh, it's upside down. Well, maybe this is the way I was. Pretty sure this is the way I was supposed to open it, but it is upside down, so it's dumping time. Something's coming out. And that's it. Wow, this is really, oh my gosh, that was a save. So here it is. Wow, it's, you know what? I'm gonna plug it in for you guys. Let's hope I don't blow a fuse, because I've got like my computer, my lights, everything's plugged into one outlet. Ugh. All right. Oh, wow. That looks amazing. It has a USB plug on the side, and it's touch, so you can adjust the levels. Wow. This is really nice. This thing's only $34 on Amazon right now, and it has a lot of great features, so I would definitely consider checking this out. Alright guys, there it is, my first ever episode of the Budget tech unboxing here on Everyday Technology. Now, as the name implies, every single episode of this series will only feature tech that is under $150, so it is fairly budget friendly. And I actually have not seen many tech reviewers or any tech reviews at all actually do a series like this, so I hope you guys do enjoy it. I'm sorry if my voice sounded a little bit choppy, but that's just because it was my first ever real big unboxing on this channel. So as the series progresses, I hopefully should get better. But I hope you guys did enjoy the series. And as always, guys, I'm Nate from Everyday Technology, and I'm signing out. Peace, bros.